I think I would like to have a cup of vanilla coffee. Let's go see if we have some in the kitchen. This is where I store my K-cup coffee things. I see apple cider. I see mint chocolate. Oh, great. More mint chocolate. Well, I'm going to show you how to make vanilla coffee. I set out the basic items that we will be using that I like to have my coffee with. Here I have Coffee Mate creamer, the Donut Shop blend, which is medium roast, or you can use dark house roast, sugar, vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon with a nice size cup. I love that cup. And I have a Keurig machine. Now, before we turn it on, let's make sure we have enough water in there. And let's turn it on. Okay. Put our coffee cup holder in there. Now, before we shut it down, let's place some sugar and creamer into our cup. I have sugar in my sugar bowl here. This is 1/8 of a cup. Seems like a lot, but it's really not. Let's go ahead and place it into our bowl. And then let's get some creamer. I use approximately the same amount of creamer as I do sugar, which is approximately 1/8 of a cup. So that goes into our bowl or our cup. Our machine has stopped humming, so I'm going to place my cup below, close the lid, and choose the largest for the cup so that the water will come in to the cup. While it's coming into the cup, I'm on my phone. I'm going to take 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and pour it into the cup. So let's add this to the coffee while it is still coming out of the brew. Then, with our spoon, let's stir it up. Now, since I have enough room to add more coffee, I'm going to open the lid, let it reset, close the lid, and hit the small one on the bottom. There's still enough coffee in the little K-cup so that you can still have a fresh brewed cup of coffee. And here it comes. As you can see, it is still dark from the very first pour. Okay, keep stirring. I can smell the vanilla already. Okay, as you notice it getting to the end of the pour, the coffee color has lightened, but it will not affect the flavor. Now, after your coffee is finished brewing, don't forget to turn off the machine and throw your coffee filter with the grinds in the trash can. My husband gets on to me about that. So I wanted to remind you. So sit down, enjoy the beautiful day with your fresh vanilla coffee. I hope you enjoyed this video. And it does show that if you take regular items from the grocery store, add a little bit of change to them, you can make them so that they will taste the way you would like to have. Because sometimes buying vanilla coffee in the store just really doesn't have the vanilla flavoring. So till next time, bye-bye.